Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to save a filter view in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to save a filter view in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to save a filter view in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, here's our filter. Let's choose the second filter. Spread, okay, no, number 7, okay. I want to save this view because I'm going to share it. I don't want anyone to see this filter. I'm going to this position, click on here, filter view, save as filter view. Okay, let's rename it something like Daniel bread. Okay, now it's saved. Let's close it. Then clear this filter. You can find it on here. Let's clear this filter. If you click here, you will find Daniel Bread, that filter view already saved, and no one can see it else you with the person you are shared with. That's easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to save a filter view in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.